Right, we're back. So we're going to just finish completing off the bottom part of this coffee container. We were talking about the fillets there. There's a fillet radius 10, so we're going to go into the base now and finish that. First of all, obviously, I need to complete the extrude, so just hit the green tick. Now, along here, you have different commands. The one we're looking for is fillet, and it defaults to 5, but we're going to make that 10. And I'm going to select all the edges. Now, because I can't see the other edge, I'm going to have to try and rotate it until I can see it. But that's now 4 edges, so you can see there, 4 edges. So hit the green tick, and we've now filleted the box. Let's try and get back to your isometric view there. You can see that is the case. Now, if we go back to the drawing again, we're going to see that if you compare the different thicknesses, the fillets here, one's radius 10 and one's radius 5, and you can see that in here the thickness of the box is actually 5 millimeters. Okay, the wood itself is 5 millimeters thick. If you go down to the elevation here, you can see that the base, if you look at the bottom of the container and then look at the inside, that's that dotted line there. So that's the thickness. This is the thickness of the wood, 5 millimeters thick. So that all of the wood in this box is 5 millimeters thick. We're going to use a command that's going to make things easy for us to create this box shape, which is called shell, which is over here. So I select shell. It defaults to 2.5 millimeters, the thickness, because I've just mentioned to you before that our box is 5 millimeters thick. So we're going to select that. And then it says up here, faces to remove. So I want to select the top face. And you can see automatically now it creates a hole in there. So I'm going to select the tick. And you can see for yourself, that's now given us a nice hollow box. The final thing that we're going to do is we're going to add in some text. So go to sketch mode and select a surface. So I'm just going to select that surface there. Zoom in a little bit. And we're going to go to text. I'm going to try and drag a box. Hopefully this fits. Sometimes it doesn't fit. And we're going to just, remember, you can pick your own. Now what I'm going to pick is the stencil one right at the top there. And the default text, I'm going to change it obviously to coffee. Spell coffee correctly. And then hit the tick. Now you can see it's a little bit large, so grab a hand out the side and just shrink it. That one's just moving it. That's this one here, I think, which shrinks it down. No, one of them does. There we go. So try and shrink it so it fits inside. This is a bit footery at times. There we go. Hopefully that's about right. Finish the sketch mode off. We're going to go to extrude now. And I'm going to select the coffee now. I think the best place to find it is inside the O in this particular one, but I think if you chose a different script, you might have to try yourself, and some scripts won't work. There we go. So it's coming out the way. Now remember, we don't want to go out, we want to go in. We're going to remove the material, and we're going to probably make it about 2 millimeters. So just got to go in a little tiny amount. And then hit the tick. Right, nearly there, hopefully. Right, there we go. So we can see that it has taken the material out of it, but it's not went right the way through, which is the way we want it. Okay, so try that for yourself if you can, and see how you get on.